Going to school. Hi, today I want to talk about going to school. At first, going to school felt like a big adventure. I wasn't sure what it would be like. Would it be noisy? Would I know anyone? What if I missed home? These were all normal questions to have, and it was okay to feel unsure at first. But I learned that school is a place where I can learn new things, meet friends, and have fun. Every day has a routine, like waking up, getting dressed, eating breakfast, packing my school bag, and heading out the door. Having a routine helps me feel calm and ready for the day. When I get to school, I say hello to my teacher and classmates. Sometimes I feel excited. Other times I might feel nervous, shy, or even a little tired. That's okay. Everyone feels different emotions sometimes. If I need help, I can talk to my teacher, take deep breaths, or ask for a quiet moment. At school, I get to do fun activities like reading books, drawing pictures, building with blocks, learning math, and exploring science. I might work alone, with a partner, or in a group. I also learn how to listen, take turns, and follow the classroom rules. If I forget the rules, my teacher can help me remember. Learning is something we all do together. During breaks, I can play outside, eat my snack, and talk with my friends. I might play tag, swing, walk around, or just sit and relax. It's important to include others and be kind, even if someone likes to play differently than me. Sometimes things don't go perfectly. I might drop something, make a mistake, or feel frustrated. That's okay. Mistakes help me learn, and there are always adults nearby to support me. When the school day ends, I pack up my things, say goodbye, and go home. I can tell someone about what I did that day, the fun parts, the hard parts, and what I'm proud of. Even on tricky days, I know I did my best. Going to school helps me grow, try new things, and feel more confident every day. I am learning, making friends, and becoming more independent. And that's something to smile about.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more social stories. Until then, take care.